evening, all of you. Did you anyone track satellite before? Today I'm going to talk about how to track a satellite by using the Orbitron software. First we look at about what is Orbitron. Orbitron is a software solution designed to help us track a satellite. This software helps us to track satellite very easily. Otherwise, we should do some mathematical part and do necessary things. We go to the what are the data we can get. As you see, we can get lot of data as latitude, altitude, satellite traveling path, and planetary object, sun, moon, like that. And not only this information, we can put other lot of information from Orbitron software. Also, we tell you where we can hand for this software. As you see, we can go to the web page for www.stoff.pl, or you can search it on Google as we search normal. Then I will demonstrate how to use Orbitron and from the beginning. First, go to Google and just search Orbitron software, and there is a link appear here. Previously mentioned that www.stoff.pl. So this is the web page that we can download Orbitron software. When clicking here, go to the download page, and there's a download page. You can download it here. There is a called external mirror 1 and 2. You can use any both anything. 1 or 2. I just use 1, and just wait a few seconds. It will automatically download. And I already download software and installed, so I will not download now. Then go to the software. This is how we can see Orbitron software. Before we work in this software, we should do one thing. First, we should go to the install folder, and there is called TLE file. Just go there and delete the file in here. I already did it, and this is the new thing. Then go back to our software and right click on screen and go to review mode. Then go to configure. There is a few tabs you can see. So go to the TLE updates. Then there is the icon you can see. Then click it, and it will automatically download TLE file. The TLE file is the some have information that software mode. Then it can simulate satellite path. So it's done. Right, okay. Then go to the load TLE button, yeah, and search CubeSat file and open it. Now you can see the satellite we can track. So this is about Ravana, so I select Ravana. There is Ravana. You can see the Ravana satellite here, and the data is in range. You can see this is the range, and this is traveling can make your own driver. Use the same name and there is a location software. Then save it. Go back to your Orbitron software and there is a radio, and there is a driver. I already there is another few drivers. I use this driver because it is easy, and just click your driver and run it. Okay. There is you can serial monitor this your information to Arduino, Raspberry Pi or anything by using serial communication. This way you can control your satellite antenna also. So this is